Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I'm here to compare 4 Bluetooth speakers. You will find on my channel each one of these have their own reviews, and so you can see an in-depth review on them. But I figured I wanted to highlight them since it's one thing that I have a lot of, and kind of give you the opinion of which one is my favorite as far as sound quality, and which one is my favorite for affordability and compactness. So like I said, there will be a link to all of them on Amazon if you want to check out, see out the various price points. They are kind of stacked in the most expensive to lowest range when I filmed this video. And check out my channel, and you can find in-depth reviews on each one of these where I play music, etc. from them. So first off, we have the Boom 2 here, which is by Logitech. I have the JBL Flip 4, the SOWO, and then I always forget the name of this one. This is the box it came in, the Sanag M7 speaker. So this is kind of the most off-named brand speaker out of them all. So out of the compactness, if you're looking for something that you want to just throw in easily into a gym bag or hang from your bike, I would honestly go with the smaller compacted. And out of these two, I like the sound quality the best of the SOWO. It has more of a rich bass sound to it. This looks more watertight, but they both claim the same water rating. But so this is probably the best bang for your economic buck, but it's not the one that sounds the best out of these 4 speakers. So the JBL was my kind of staple speaker that I hung out by the pool with, and until I recently got this for a gift, which is the Boom 2. The Boom 2 is got some serious sound to it. It's also very intuitive to use. The power button's on the top. These are the volume buttons you hold down or you press to skip a song. On the bottom, it's got this little disc to hang it from, and then where you can do an auxiliary in or charge it. I was really impressed with these speakers, and the fact that the app makes it really easy to pair 2 of them together, which I have now, to where we can do it in stereo mode. The app also allows for firmware updates in case they do anything drastically that you might need a firmware update, where these guys do not do that. So, like I said, this is probably my favorite for the sound quality, but it is the most expensive. If you want to look something on a budget, then you may want to look at the SOWO. And if you want to hear what these all sound like, check out my other videos where you can listen to some of the songs and me give a more in-depth review of each one of these. Feel free to hit me up in the comments, and if you enjoy this channel, please do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And until the next one, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.